Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. All right, everybody has everything away. Nothing on their desk that they're working on. We're going to do a quick, nothing on their desk that they're working on. Pencils are down. Pencils are down. There you go. Add a kid. And we're going to do a quick adding and subtracting fractions lesson. I'm going to do lessons, short lessons every day. We'll do the computation, we'll do the lesson, and then you'll have time to work on task cards, homework, and project. And I'll pass out the homework and project here after our quick lesson. So our first adding fractions problem, we'll do, let's see, 5/12 plus 7/8. 5/12 plus 7/8. So our first thing we have to do is what, Matilda?
You have to change the denominator to the same number so you can subtract or add.
Good. You have to have a common denominator. We try and use the least common denominator. Do you know what the least common denominator for 12 and 8 are? Oh, let's go. Andrew.
24.
24 would be correct. We have to multiply this by a fraction that equals 1 so that we don't change the value of that fraction. So let's call on, I don't know. One of the Sydneys, please answer me this. What would you multiply 5/12 by to give us a denominator of 24?
2.
2 over 2. 2 over 2 equals 1. Therefore, we're not changing the value. We're just going to change how it's written. And one of the Sydneys, my new numerator is?
10/24.
Good. My fraction is 10/24. 10/24. Brady! What would I multiply 8 by to get 24? 3. Good. So I have a numerator 3, denominator 3. That fraction equals 1 because it's got the same numerator as denominator. Okay, so Brady, what is my numerator?
Your numerator is
7 times 3? 21. Awesome.
Anyone?
This is an addition problem. Alyssa, 10/24 plus 21/24 equals 31/24. That is what kind of fraction, Matthew? Improper. Excellent. It's an improper fraction. And the good doctor, how do I fix an improper fraction? You divide. Awesome. A fraction basically is division. 31 divided by 24 is what this says. 31 divided by 24. So we're going to take 31 and divide that by 24. Liam, how many times is 31? How many times is 24 going to 31? 1 time. Put my 24 here. I subtract. Liam, what is 31 subtract 24? Or the difference between 24 and 31? 7. Excellent. So I have 1 remainder 7. So as a mixed number, this equals what, Jacob J? We have 1 remainder 7. One and 7/24. Some of you are going to struggle when we have the test on this. 1 and 7/24. Can 7/24 be simplified? Oh, Macy, can 7/24 be simplified?
No.
No, good answer. Greatest common factor of 7 and 24 is 1. So, no, it's 1. Greatest common factor is 1. All right, let's do 3 and 3, 8. Subtract 1 and 7, 12. 3 and 3, 8. Subtract 1 and 7, 12. The first thing I have to do is what, Noah? Good. Find a common denominator. Find a common denominator for 8 and 12. This should be easy. I think we just almost did this. Isabella, what is my common denominator for 8 and 12? 24. So I'm going to change each of these fractions into something over 24 because that does not change the value. I have to multiply just the fractions, not the whole number, by a fraction that equals 1. Jacob M., what would I multiply 3/8 by? 3. So I'd multiply it by 3/3. And Jacob M., what's my numerator? And my numerator is 9. So I have 3 and 9 24ths. Heaven, what would I multiply 7/12 by? 12 times what is 24? 2. 2 over 2. And my numerator is 14. So I have 1 and 14 24ths. 1 and 14 24ths. Oh, Camille, have I called on you yet? Oh, good. Now I'm calling on you, Camille. So I have 3 and 9 24ths. Subtract 1 and 14 24ths. What are we doing first? Dividing what? We are changing them to mixed numbers. So I multiply 24 times 3 and add 9. When you get that, Camille, tell me. I'm going to do the same thing with my second one. 1 times 24 plus 14. And let's call on my young friend. Oh, let's go Angelica. What'd you get? 3 times 24, then add 9. 71 over 24. Angelica, you're doing 24 times 1 plus 14. 38. 38. 24. Now, Camille, why did we have to change these? Okay? Because our numerator here, I could not subtract 9 minus 14. If I have $9 in my pocket and Carlos comes up and punches me in the nose, he can't take 14 away from me. I only have 9, Carlos. Stop trying to take my money.
Yeah.
Carlos. But since you're trying to take my money, Carlos, now I want to know the difference between 71 and 38. $33. We're all good with that? I'm not doing math, I'm lazy. We're all good with that?
Yep. Yes. That's what I got.
That is what Cade got, so we must be correct. All right, Cade, what is wrong with this answer?
It's an improper fraction.
Improper fraction, so we have to do 33 divided by 24. 33 divided by 24. Cade, how many times is 24 going to 33?
One time.
One time. And Kate, what is the difference between 33 and 24?
9.
9. So I have 1. Remainder 9. So my mixed number is what, Jonas?
One.
1 and 9 over
24.
24. Awesome. Everybody good with that answer?
Yeah.
You're all wrong! This can be simplified. This can be simplified. Kate thinks knows what it can be simplified by. Kate, what?
3.
By 3. I can divide these both by 3, and I'm going to get 1. Kate, what's 9 divided by 3?
3.
And 24 divided by 3?
8.
8. 1 and 3/8 is my final answer. You're going home? Yes, we're going to miss you. Let me give you your homework and project before you go. Boom, shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today.